So today we're going to take a minute to talk about some of the pros and cons of putting some seats out of a C6 Corvette into a C3 Corvette. It's a really common upgrade, but there's not a lot of great information about the pros and cons. So the main concern is going to be height. The C6 seats naturally sit higher than the C3 seats. If you buy just an adapter plate kit, it's going to be even taller. I originally bought a kit and I'm 6 feet tall. I was touching the ceiling. It just didn't work out for me. What I ended up doing is just bolting the C3 rails directly to the C6 frame. With that, I only sit about an inch taller than stock. And so it's, for the most part, it's okay. It can be a little bit annoying with blacked out tops. I have to peek down to look at stoplights, but that's just part of it. It's totally drivable as is, but the third option is to just build a flush mount plate that's just fixed to the ground. And that would get you back down to where stock seats sit. So one drawback of the C6 seats is that they don't go quite as far forward, so getting into your cargo area is a little bit less convenient. But honestly, it's not too bad. Some of the reasons why the C6 seat is better is because the base isn't just a cushion, it's actually got a sprung base on it. That absorbs a lot of the shock when you're driving. The stock seats in here, after 15 minutes of driving, my back hurts. These seats I can drive hours and be okay. The other benefits are the bolsters are a lot deeper. You feel very planted in the seat when you're going around hard corners. And then the last thing that's a lot better is you've just got a lot better lumbar support here. The other seats, they've got a weird shape, and these just feel a lot better. So I feel like the best way to do it is just put the C3 rails directly to the C6 frame. We've measured the width to make sure the holes are going to be in the right spot, and then we've just put nutserts into the aluminum right here. Since we don't have the seat belt attached to the seat, that's why this is safe here. If you had a situation where your seat belt was attached to the seat, you would not want to use nutserts. Overall, I think it's a great upgrade. I think they look good and they feel way better. But if you're over 5'9", I don't think the adapter plate kits are probably going to work for you.